Field service technologies are impacting the industry, I think, by actually making it a lot easier for them to do their business. They get real-time job information, they know what jobs they need to be to, they can have all the parts available for that job. I think it's really streamlining it and making it a lot easier for them to be able to give the service that they need to their customers.
Definitely a positive impact, and it's about turnaround times. Instead of waiting to hear what happened, trying to track KPIs, you know instantly what's happening, you know what's not happening, and you can get on top of things while they're still current instead of history.
I think they have a very positive impact on the industry in that what it's actually allowed us to do is free up a lot more of our time that we would have wasted in contacting back of house areas to get the right information. So it's put the right tools and technology at the fingertips of our CTs. So from our point of view, the impact is positive from a productivity, but also from a customer service point of view, because our guys have now got a lot more control of how they can actually service the customer. So, you know, we're getting a better customer experience out of the technologies we've got our staff using.
The field technologies that are being brought out right now are making it easier to collect the data. It's making it easier for customers to report their information. It's making it easy for the field-based workers and for the company to attain the information, the data that they really need to service the programs in a much better way.
I think our technologies enable our guys in the field to work harder, smarter and faster to give us productivity gains in one area, and also our processes become more efficient for back in the office and generating reports, churning out invoices, updating asset inventories and GIS systems, which is really historically a time-consuming part of any field service process.
It's definitely positive because work is just done a lot more efficiently, and you know, with the geocoding and routing, so there's a lot less time spent on travel and more time actually doing the work. You know, so there's more jobs getting done for the same time by the same people.
The key seems to be the ability to take advantage of the computing power to make better decisions. So rather than just automating something and moving something from A to B without using paper, now leveraging the ability of the computer to actually consider millions of options in a split second, and as a result make a better decision about who goes where to do what, when, with what.
I think that it'll be positive. I think at the moment the jury's still out as people transition across. But where I saw in Canon a number of years ago that the technology rollout was actually very quickly adopted because the guys could actually see the advantage. It's interesting listening to some of the presentations today that is still a journey that some organisations need to take.